What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. First story of the day is about the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. It's officially going to be announced / launched on October 15th. So Tuesday, basically. I think that's Tuesday. It's coming right up, yeah. But anyways, it looks like in the UK, if you pre-order it on the 3 network in the UK, like I said, you'll get a free HP Chromebook 14 when you do a Pixel 4 or Pixel 4 XL. I think that's an amazing deal for you. They saw this because it's on a banner in the UK showing it off, saying that you'll get if you pre-order the new Google Pixel 4 and get an HP Chromebook on us. For me, this is definitely an awesome pre-order gift. I wish more manufacturers would do this. Samsung usually does this after, like, I don't know, a few months, 4 or 5 months of having their phone on the market. They'll end up doing like a free Samsung Chromebook or something, but I love that Google is doing this over in the UK. And the last story of the day is about the Samsung One UI 2.0 / Android 10 beta. I know a lot of you guys are looking to jump on this, and it's coming right around the corner basically, and it actually launched last night in South Korea. So South Korea has it live right now for them, but it's limited to the first 1,000 people that register, and you're gonna go do this through the Samsung members app, and you can see the screenshots right here showing all the stuff written in Korean. And one of the interesting things, though, what it says is that if you're not one of the first 1,000 people, you will be able to register on Monday, October 14th. So not only South Korea on Monday, but I'm also guessing that America and Germany will also be able to sign up for the Android 2.0 beta that's going to be going out then. And so just check your Samsung members app on your phone, and it should be right on the front page. You should be able to register for it. And this is going to be initially S10, S10e, and S10 Plus, and then a couple weeks later for the Note 10 devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question is to you guys: in order for you to buy a Pixel, what kind of pre-order gift would they have to give you in order for you to actually either contemplate pre-ordering it or actually buy it? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys down the road. Peace!